When you talk to a prospect who you're trying to get to become a referral source, what are you talking about? Are you telling them about your fans and dehumidifiers and the trucks that you have? Or are you asking them what's really important to them? In this video, I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about getting to know and understand your prospect and not just telling them all the great things about your restoration business. In the meantime, if you don't know who I am, my name is Scott Miller. I'm the owner of thegrowthleague.com, and I'm making these videos because I'm passionate about helping owners and their teams to get more profitable, to reduce the chaos in the business, and to build something of significant value. All right, let's get into it. If you're taking on some type of sales role, whether you're a sales rep and that's your full-time position, or if you're a project manager and you're calling on adjusters, or you're an owner and you're calling on property managers, I want to urge you to learn about what's really important. What's the outcome that your prospect is looking for? We all have the same equipment for the most part. We all have people on trucks helping other people. Let's find out what's really important. You might think that you know what's really important to agents, and as a result, all you do is talk about what it is that you do, and you don't ask them what's important to them. Same thing with adjusters, same thing with property managers. So I want to urge you, whoever it is that you're calling on, ask them, what's your biggest challenge? I want to know how I can help you, but I can only figure that out if I know what's really important to you, right? So ask good questions like that. What's really important to you? What are your biggest challenges? What's your biggest problem right now? Ask those great questions and then just listen. And also take really good notes, because if you're talking to a lot of people, you probably won't remember all these conversations. So make sure you take great notes. It's going to make your life easier later, and it's going to help you earn more money as a sales rep. If you want to learn more about how I help clients, just click the link below this video and book a call with me. Talk to you soon. See you in the next video.